This file, because you've got a show cause fee, the money is $550. Normally I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program. What I want you to do is bang those 4 days out like boom, 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 boom. So if you get a chance for a job, this is not stopped. Mr. Hadley.
Your Honor, Attorney Josh, stating in MIDC, Mr. Sam Dalla, with my your permission to appear on Mr. Dalla's behalf for today's hearing.
Yes.
All right. Please state your name for the record.
Deborah Coleman.
Thank you. Ms. Manarino. YouTube, I will live stream the
Yes,
mock
Judge.
file if they give me permission, and I'm sure they will.
You will, I'm sorry, you would what?
I was talking to my YouTube base.
Oh,
When is it?
We're setting a jury trial for Cohen.
yes, Judge.
It's a Thursday, Angela, unless you can think of another date because you're already here.
I can't hear Heather, Judge.
She said July 30th, Angela.
Oh, okay, let me look, hold on. Do we have something else set that day?
No,
Oh,
No.
okay, let me look. Yeah, that would work.
I'm not trying to complicate things, but there is a possibility after Laura and Mr. Dalla speak, they may make the informed decision to change this to a bench trial. We did discuss that today. Pros and cons of both. I think you guys will have an answer back from counsel.
You're going to be talking to him.
I already did today.
Yeah, just
But yeah, in the middle of things today, I think
I just need to know that soon, so we can use this day.
100%. That's
Okay. All right, ma'am, just have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice.
will be.
Is it Poirier? How do you say it?
Poirier.
Poirier, come on up, man.
Your Honor, for the records, everybody carrying out the outlook and with this support of man. You tell the judge your name for her, please.
Sarah Poirier.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for Raymond in the strap wait for reading standing. We also have an executed plea agreement in which the court is legally responsible for the added accountability party and agree to assess a bond fine of
Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
How soon can you pay the two?
I actually just made up some work stuff last week. I can earn $20, so I was wondering if I could possibly make an arrangement until Thursday.
Next week? 28th, right? All right, understand that the misdemeanor doesn't get kicked until we get that paid. We just kind of put this on ice until then. And it looks like you've got another case coming up on May 28th. You know about that. Okay, you're all set. You're welcome. Mr. Bowditch, you ready on Nassar?
Ready, Your Honor? Now you're on the record, Jeff, about straight on behalf of. Sir, you tell the judge your name and record.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today is date and time, set for reading this, I have a wait for reading. And we've also got a chance to pre-trial this case. In this matter, Mr. Nasser will be pleading.
Mr. Bowditch. Courtroom. She is. Yep. Yes. I'm sorry, go ahead.
Your Honor, we can plead together as a bad account of allowing unlicensed people with the understanding the original part of the use.
Okay. Sir, do you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for this added charge? Are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Belleville on February 21, 2026? And on that day, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied, Mr. Bowditch? So is the court. I'll accept the plea and dismiss the original charge. What should I know about this gentleman before I sentence him?
Three strikes and we got tickets. That's all it was.
Good.
Do some, ignoring some tickets.
A little bit of young and dumb going on? You working? Where are you working? Okay. How long you been there?
Just on last week.
Good. Full time? Part time? How many hours? 9? That's not even a job. That's like a hobby. Where do you live? You're a local guy. All right. So before you get out of here, go down and see Mr. Taylor. What are they paying? Well, that's not bad. How close are you to getting your license back? go see Mr. Taylor, because he keeps track of everybody in our area that's hiring. Find out what he's got. I'm assuming they've got you on some kind of probation to see if you're worth putting more time into. So see if you can find something else that you can kind of keep, play them one against the other. Find a couple jobs like that may be part-time, and then see which one's got the fastest pay raises schedule. But go see him. He'll give you some information. All right. Anything else before I sentence on this file?
Nothing.
Okay. Anything you want to add, sir? Okay. All right. And you're into us already for a lot of money. Old stuff, equipment violations. You do not have a payment plan with us now? You do have a payment plan? Have you made any payments? Oh, that's why this paperwork's 2 weeks old. Okay. All right. So today's fines and costs you can add into that payment plan. So on this file, because you've got a show cause fee, the money is $550. Normally I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program. What I want you to do is bang those 4 days out like boom, 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 boom. So if you get a chance for a job, this is not stopping you. Okay. You pick the days. Questions? All right. Go see Mr. Taylor. Good luck. You're welcome. Aldrich. Look at her. Hey, she's pushing me for files. She's like, I'll send you more breaks.
Here on behalf of and Chief Paul. Can you tell them again? Chelsea Albert.
Thank you, man.
State time set for Raymond in this matter, but it's not agreed with standing. We also had a case of driver's station. In this matter, this Aldrich would be pleading guilty. The civil infraction of impeding traffic with the understanding that the criminal charges will be dismissed.
Ms. Aldrich, is that correct? All right. I will accept your plea of responsible to the impeding traffic, and I will dismiss both the original charges. Fines and cost $200. Can you pay that today?
Okay, it's Friday.
29th. You may. Understand that this is just kind of on ice until that happens. Any questions? Have a nice day. You're welcome so much.
During these court proceedings, 2 separate cases were addressed by the judge. In Mr. Cohen's case, the court focused on scheduling matters for an upcoming trial. A jury trial was officially set for July 30th, giving both the prosecution and defense time to prepare their arguments and evidence. However, the defense team is still considering whether to proceed with a jury trial or request a bench trial, where the judge alone would decide the outcome instead of a jury. Recognizing the importance of courtroom scheduling and resource management, the judge asked the defense to provide an update on their decision as soon as possible so that the court can make any necessary adjustments. In Ms. Poyer's case, the hearing involved resolving a ticket-related matter. She entered a plea of being responsible for a parking violation, effectively accepting responsibility for the offense. The judge granted her until May 28 to pay the required fine associated with the violation. Additionally, the court noted that a related misdemeanor charge would remain on hold until the payment process was completed. To ensure compliance and review the status of the matter, Ms. Poyer was also scheduled to return to court on May 28 for a follow-up appearance. The hearing was brief and primarily focused on administrative and procedural matters rather than a contested trial.